Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from WorldCoin to Binance. First of all, open Binance, then click Deposit. In the search bar, type WLD for WorldCoin. Copy the WorldCoin deposit address shown. Now open your WorldCoin app and tap Send or Withdraw to start your transfer. Select WorldCoin, enter the amount of WorldCoin you want to send. In the recipient field, paste the Binance WorldCoin deposit address you copied earlier. Double check these details and tap Confirm to complete your transfer. Your WorldCoin transfer will be processed and should arrive in your Binance account shortly. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching.